If you're ready to take your marketing efforts to the next level and get a clear view of your campaign's impact, learning how to create and manage campaigns in HubSpot is absolutely essential. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a campaign, organize all your marketing assets under one roof, and confidently measure the results, all within HubSpot's powerful campaigns tool. Let's dive in. First things first. To create a campaign in HubSpot, you'll start by logging into your account. Once you're in, head up to the top navigation bar and look for Marketing, then select Campaigns. Don't worry if you're new to the HubSpot dashboard. It's designed to be intuitive. Think of it like entering the command center for all your marketing activities. Everything begins here. Now, when you've landed on the Campaigns dashboard, take a look at the top right corner and you'll see a button labeled Create Campaign. Give that a click. This opens up the campaign setup screen, and this is really where your planning starts to take shape. It's kind of like opening a blank notebook before you start jotting out your strategy, so take a moment to get comfortable here. Next up, you'll be prompted to fill in some key details about your campaign. It's important to be thoughtful at this stage. The first field is the campaign name. Make sure it's clear and descriptive, like Q4 holiday email promo, rather than something vague like winter stuff, so you can easily find and reference it later. Then, if you have a high-level marketing strategy or mission for this campaign, go ahead and jot that down. This part is optional, but it does help clarify your focus. Assigning the campaign owner is up next. Choose the HubSpot user who will be responsible for overseeing the campaign activities. Think of this as putting a ship's captain in charge. It keeps communication clear and accountability strong. You'll also see optional fields for start and end dates. While you don't have to set these, I highly recommend you do. It's especially useful for tracking performance over a specific time frame, like a holiday push or quarterly initiative. Don't forget to set a specific goal for your campaign, whether it's reaching a certain number of leads, driving a higher revenue figure, or growing your audience. Having these targets will make analyzing your results much more meaningful later on. Think of your goal as your campaign's North Star. It'll guide your efforts and help keep everyone aligned. All right. With your campaign details in place, let's move on to linking your marketing assets. This is where HubSpot really shines. You can associate all your emails, landing pages, blog posts, social posts, ads, workflows, and calls to action under one campaign. This makes reporting super powerful because it aggregates data from all your channels. On the campaign details screen, you'll see sections dedicated to each type of asset. Click the Add Assets button in the section you want to update. Maybe you have a holiday marketing email you've already created. Select it from the list, and just like that, it's linked to the campaign. All the performance data from that asset will now be tracked here. Repeat this step for other assets like landing pages or ads you're running, so you have a full picture. Now, once your campaign is live and your assets are all associated, you'll use the campaign's dashboard to track and analyze how everything is performing. You'll see key metrics like sessions, new contacts generated, marketing qualified leads, the number of new customers, and even how much revenue is linked to the campaign. It's a bit like having a coach's scoreboard. It shows you what's working best and where you might want to pivot or double down your efforts. If you ever feel stuck, or if you want more in-depth guidance on campaign strategy, don't forget you can tap into the HubSpot Academy resources. There's a ton of great content there from the experts, and it's totally free. And that's how you create and manage campaigns in HubSpot. I hope this walkthrough gave you the clarity and confidence you need to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more step-by-step marketing guides. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck with your campaigns.